Hello there. I see you have many beautiful plants in that box.
Hi, I am moving into apartment 4B today. My name is Daniel.
It is nice to meet you, Daniel. I am Emma from apartment 4A.
Oh, so we are next door neighbors. That is very good to know.
Welcome to our building. This roof garden is a very peaceful place.
It looks wonderful. I love all the green colors and the fresh air.
I come here every morning to water my small red roses.
Your roses look very healthy and strong. Do you like gardening?
It is my favorite hobby after a long day at school.
Are you a student at the university near the park?
No, I am a teacher. I work with young children every day.
That sounds like a very busy and important job, Emma.
It is, but I love seeing my students learn new words.
I am a graphic designer. I work from my home office.
That is very interesting. Do you draw pictures on your computer?
Yes, I create logos and illustrations for different books and websites.
You have a very creative mind. Is that why you have so many plants?
Exactly. Plants help me to relax and think about new ideas.
I have a small cactus in my room. It is very easy to take care of.
Cacti are great, but I prefer these leafy ferns. They look like small trees.
Where did you live before moving to this street?
I lived in a very noisy apartment near the train station.
This area is much quieter. You will sleep very well here.
I am happy to hear that. I need a quiet place for my work.
Do you need any help with your boxes, Daniel?
Thank you, but these plants are the last things to move.
Well, let me show you where the water tap is located.
That would be very helpful. I want to water them right now.
It is just behind that large wooden bench over there.
Perfect. Let's go. Thank you for being so welcoming.
The water is very cool and clear. Your ferns look much happier now.
They were in the box for 3 hours. They really needed a drink.
I see a small sketch in your pocket. Is that a drawing of a bird?
Yes, I saw a beautiful bird in the park this morning. I drew it quickly.
You are very talented. The lines are very soft and natural.
Thank you. Drawing is how I see the world around me.
I love art, but I cannot draw a simple circle correctly.
Everyone can learn. It just takes a lot of practice and patience.
Maybe you can give me a small lesson one day in the garden.
I would love to do that. We can draw the roses together.
That sounds like fun. Do you like reading books too?
I like mystery novels and books about history.
I have a large collection of classic stories in my apartment.
We can exchange books sometimes. I have some great art books.
I would love to see them. I like looking at beautiful pictures.
The sun is very bright today. The sky is a perfect blue color.
It is the best weather for a picnic on the roof.
Do people often have picnics here in the evening?
Sometimes on Saturdays, we bring tea and sandwiches here.
I would like to join you next time. I make very good tea.
That would be wonderful. We are a very friendly group of neighbors.
It is nice to meet new people who are so kind.
Moving to a new place is always a bit difficult and scary.
It is, but meeting you makes it feel like home already.
I am glad to hear that, Daniel. We are happy to have you here.
I am going to put these plants on my new balcony now.
My balcony is right next to yours. We can talk across the rail.
That is like a movie. I will say hello every morning.
I will wave back to you. Have a great afternoon with your boxes.
Thank you, Emma. See you very soon.
Hello again, Daniel. Are you finished with your moving today?
Almost. I just have some small kitchen items left in my car.
I want to introduce you to some other people from our floor.
That is a great idea. I want to know everyone's names.
This is Sarah. She lives in apartment 4C, and she is a doctor.
Hello, Sarah. It is a pleasure to meet you.
And this is Mr. Brown. He has lived here for 20 years.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Brown. You must know many stories about this house.
Mr. Brown knows everything. He is our unofficial historian.
That is fascinating. I love learning about old buildings and their secrets.
Everyone is very helpful here. If you need a hammer, just ask Mr. Brown.
I actually need a hammer for my pictures. I will ask him tomorrow.
Sarah is very good at cooking. She makes the best lemon cake.
I love lemon cake. It is my favorite dessert with coffee.
We're having a small gathering in the garden tonight at 7.
Can I bring something? I have some fresh apples in my bag.
Apples are perfect. We can make a fruit salad together.
I'm happy to help with the salad. I am a very fast cutter.
We will have music and some cold drinks too.
It sounds like a real party. I'm very excited now.
It is just a simple way to relax after work.
I think it is a great way to build a community.
We are like a small family. We look after each other every day.
I missed that in my old apartment. Nobody knew my name there.
That is very sad. Here we always say good morning and good night.
I will remember that. I want to be a good neighbor too.
You are already a good neighbor, Daniel. You have a very kind heart.
Thank you, Emma. I'm going to wash my apples now.
See you at 7 in the garden. Don't be late.
I will be there at 7 sharp. See you then.
The garden looks beautiful with these small fairy lights.
They look like tiny stars in the trees. It is very magical.
Here is the fruit salad. Your apples are very sweet and crunchy.
I'm glad people like them. The salad is very refreshing.
Would you like a glass of orange juice or some cold water?
Orange juice, please. It is a very warm evening tonight.
Here you go. Sarah is telling a funny story about her hospital.
Everyone is laughing. She is a very good storyteller.
She is. Doctors always have the most interesting stories.
I am enjoying the music too. It is very soft and rhythmic.
It's a jazz playlist. I think it fits the atmosphere perfectly.
I agree. Jazz is the best music for a summer night.
Look at the moon. It is very big and yellow over the buildings.
It is a full moon. I want to take a photo of it later.
You should draw it instead. A drawing is more personal than a photo.
You are right. I will bring my sketchbook after I finish my juice.
I am talking to a new girl named Lily. She is a student.
Is she new to the building as well?
Yes, she moved into the 3rd floor last week.
It is nice to meet so many new people at once.
Meeting new people is like opening a new book.
Every person has a different story to tell. I love that.
Lily is studying biology. She knows everything about insects.
Biology is a very difficult but interesting subject.
She is showing us a picture of a rare butterfly.
It has very bright wings. Nature is the best artist.
I think so too. We are surrounded by beauty every day.
Thank you for inviting me to this party, Emma.
You are very welcome. It is a pleasure to have you here.
I feel very happy and lucky tonight.
Good morning, Daniel. You are up very early today.
Good morning, Emma. I am enjoying my coffee on the balcony.
The air is very fresh and cool at 6 o'clock.
It is the best time for my creative work. The city is quiet.
I am going for a short run in the park.
You have a lot of energy so early in the morning.
It helps me to be a better teacher for my kids.
I understand. Exercise is good for the brain and the body.
Did you finish your drawing of the full moon last night?
Yes, I worked on it for an hour. I can show it to you.
Please do. I am very curious to see your moon.
Here it is. I used some gray pencils.
It is stunning, Daniel. The craters look so real and deep.
Thank you. I tried to capture the soft light of the moon.
You have a real gift for art. You should have an exhibition.
Maybe one day. For now, I just draw for myself and my friends.
I am happy to be your friend, Daniel.
I am happy to be your friend too, Emma.
I must go now, or I will be late for my run.
Have a great run. Don't forget to look at the flowers.
I will. See you later in the afternoon.
I will be here working on my new logo design.
Good luck with your work. I hope you find a great idea.
I already have a few ideas in my head.
I am walking to the elevator now. Bye.
Goodbye, Emma. Enjoy the sun.
I am waving my hand from the balcony.
I am waving back with my coffee cup.
The day is starting in a very positive way.
Life in this building is really wonderful.